Blockchain. Introduction to the blockchain. The blockchain is a digital ledger that is run by a network of computers running in a peer-to-peer or P2P configuration. This means it is a collection of data and transactions that are stored and processed by computers around the world, all working together. This configuration uses the network of computers and cryptography to create a system that is secure, transparent, and at the same time anonymous. But don't worry if this doesn't make sense now. We'll get to it in just a bit. There are two terms that you will need to understand: centralized platforms and decentralized platforms. With centralized platforms, data is required to pass through one singular point. That means you cannot physically send or receive any information without it going through that one single point, which is often a server or hub. A great example of a centralized platform is Google, or almost any major bank. There are some centralized blockchains, too. Decentralized platforms do not require information to pass through one single point, and instead, many points connect, creating a peer-to-peer or P2P network configuration. An example of a decentralized platform is Bitcoin or Ethereum.